Welcome to Session 1. Every idea in this course begins with one special shape, a triangle containing a 90-degree angle. Today, you will learn the side names, identify them even when the triangle is turned, and build a quick reasonableness check. These are small skills, but they prevent the most common setup error in Pythagorean problems. Find the little square that marks the right angle. The two sides touching that corner are the legs. The side across from that corner is the hypotenuse. Notice that the hypotenuse does not touch the 90-degree angle. It is also the longest side, but position is the safer definition, opposite the right angle. A test diagram may be rotated, reflected, or tucked inside another figure. Do not call the bottom side the hypotenuse just because it looks like a base. Turn your attention to the right angle mark. In every orientation, the side directly across from that mark is still the hypotenuse. The theorem uses squares and square roots. Squaring means multiplying a number by itself. A square root reverses that operation. Knowing common perfect squares makes calculator work faster. 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25, 10 squared is 100, and 15 squared is 225. Suppose the right angle marker sits between sides 7 and 24. Those two sides are the legs, even if 24 looks almost horizontal, and 7 looks vertical. The remaining side, 25, is the hypotenuse. It is opposite the right angle and longer than either leg. In word problems, the triangle may be hidden. A ladder against a wall has the ladder as its hypotenuse. A rectangle's diagonal is a hypotenuse. A ramp surface is usually the hypotenuse, while its rise and horizontal run are legs. Sketch the two perpendicular directions first. The straight slanted connection is across from them. A right angle marker sits between sides 8 and 15. Which side is the hypotenuse? It is the third side, the one opposite that marked corner. If the third side is 17, your labels are legs 8 and 15, hypotenuse 17. Your final check is simple. The hypotenuse must be the longest side. You can now identify both legs and the hypotenuse in any orientation. In Session 2, we connect those three sides with the Pythagorean Theorem. Keep learning and find more GED practice at www.bridgetoexam.com.